Welcome to Product Critique, your go-to channel for honest product reviews and demonstrations. Today, we're diving into the USB Vacuum Cleaner, a handy gadget designed to keep your keyboard and computer clean. We'll explore its features, functionality, and see if it lives up to its promises. The USB Vacuum Cleaner is brought to us by LINLIJIA, and it's available in a variety of colors. It's a cordless handheld device, making it convenient for cleaning hard-to-reach areas like the keyboard. The package includes batteries, so you can start using it right away. With a capacity of 1 kilogram, it's designed to handle both light and heavier dirt and dust. The compact design allows you to effectively clean the corners of your keyboard. Ideal for picking up those pesky crumbs and dust particles. Simply plug it into your laptop or computer's USB port. No external power source needed. Perfect for on-the-go cleaning, whether you're at home or in the office. Not limited to just the keyboard, it can be used on your printer, camera equipment, and audio-visual devices. Keep your workspace clean and free from dust and debris. Choose from a range of colors, including hot pink, sky blue, green, black, and yellow. Let's put this USB vacuum cleaner to the test. I have a dirty keyboard right here, and we'll see how well it cleans up. While this product has received mixed reviews on Amazon, it's essential to consider that it's designed for light cleaning tasks. Some customers have found it useful for their needs, while others expected it to handle more significant dirt and dust. In conclusion, the USB Vacuum Cleaner by LINLIJIA is a handy tool for keeping your keyboard and small electronic devices clean. It's perfect for light cleaning tasks and offers the convenience of USB power. However, for heavy-duty cleaning, you may need a more powerful solution. If you're looking for a compact and convenient way to maintain a clean workspace, the USB Vacuum Cleaner is worth considering. Thanks for joining us on Product Critique. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell for more honest product reviews and demonstrations. Until next time.